to do a quick video of the twin turbo lightning build that just finished up. There's a nice digital dash installed. Got the gauges, got the speedo, all the fuel level, the boost, fuel pressure. I got it on a nice dimmer switch over here. Do a quick walk around on the truck. Beautiful truck, real clean interior. It's got AC, full option truck. Getting pop the hood for you guys. Do a little video of a quick hit. Just leave it in drive. I ain't gonna manually shift it. Do a roll and hit real quick for you. Definitely loves to spin the tires. Can't really put it to the floor. Makes some good power.